The hydration levels are consistently high across the group. Yes, and the automated system adjusted the flow rate perfectly this morning.
The thermal readout confirms our hypothesis. No inflammation detected. It's completely healthy.
Maintain the pressure at 0.4. Temperature is holding steady. Acknowledged. Starting the cycle sequence.
The coat quality here is exceptional.
Noted, the sheen is remarkable. Are we seeing the expected stabilization here?
Yes, the probe confirms the reading on the tablet.
I think the stress point on this strap needs adjustment.
All right, let's zoom in and check the wireframe tolerances.
Recording verbal notes on grain and texture, the inspector confirms high consistency across the sample, noting only minor localized variations near the edge.
The holographic schematic shows perfect alignment on the last batch. Data confirmed. We are clear for the next phase.
That angle works well with the leather texture.
Agreed.
Agreed.
All right, everyone, taking the first frame.